Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with the Ahoy There collaboration. This is going to be hosted by Lady KRE, who is Fun Creations. And then the lineup for this collaboration will be myself, Mo Creations, Audrey, So Goodall, Shatavia, Cuddle Me Clay Tay, Gloria, Girliest Cards, and I believe I told you the host is Lady KRE, who is Fun Creations. All right, I am going to start out by showing you everything I used to create this card. Also, before I get into it, there might be some giveaways along the way, so make sure you listen out to what you need to do. And I suggest you listen and pay attention to what I am creating so that you don't have to backtrack. Starting out, here are the markers that I am using, and these are the Prismacolors from Bria Reese. From Copic markers, I have these, those, and then these two. All right, so those are all of my markers that I am using. Now for the inks, I will be using Distress Oxide ink, Prize Ribbon, Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and VersaFine Clair Twilight ink. I am also using this hemp cord or craft cord that I got from, I want to say Hobby Lobby, and I'll be using the white. Bow Bunny, I'm using these candy dots, and I'll be using that lighter red color. I am using Ahoy Matey, that's coming from You're So Punny Stamps by Joyce Life. This is one of my favorite stamps, and it's from Sweet Stamp Shop. Not even sure if you can find that anymore, but I'm using this sentiment here. Man cannot discover new oceans unless he has the courage to lose sight of the shore. And that's by Andre Guide. All right, and then Pretty Cute Stamps, and I believe she's still selling on Etsy. Anyways, I'm using this Season's Greetings. From this Bible journaling set, I'm using Hope Anchors the Soul. My Creative Time, Just a Little Note. And this is another favorite set of mine. I will be using this grass here, and this. From this set, I am using the clouds and the little birds. And from this set here, I am using the seagull, the lighthouse, Seize the Day, as well as Hey Girlfriend. Anyways, and then I'm also using this pelican. This set here from Cottage Cuts. I'm using the rope and the anchor, as well as the Lifesaver ring. And from here, I'm using the rope ladder, as well as some of those starfish. I think that's all I'm using from there. And we're almost down to the end. I am using this set here from My Favorite Things. Hopefully you can see that it's not blurred. All right, got some gifts for my bestie. I'm using this lighthouse, as well as this message in a bottle. This here from Gina Marie, and these two are from Memento. And then I'm also using My Favorite Things, this topper die, Elizabeth's Crafts. I'm using this here, and this is the shape I'm using here. And then from My Creative Time, I'm using this set of tags. All right. For my giveaway, you will need to like, comment, subscribe, and be a U.S. resident. Please do not mention that I am doing a giveaway. Your requirements are to use the word of the amount of Lifesaver rings that I am showing throughout my projects. The word and not the number. And I believe that's it. All right, we're going to start off with these tags. All right, we'll start off with this one here. As you can see, I used that blue, ribbon blue. There goes Lifesaver ring anchor. I colored up this with the copper markers down here. There goes that Stampendous die, and I put that little water splash behind there, and I trimmed up that rope there to add that in there. These were from Cottage Cuts, and I thought I would use that little centerpiece for the sun. All right, this is Hey Girlfriend. I thought this turned out so cute. I did color this up with the Copics and all the other markers that I had. And then I did the same thing with the sand down below. I just used my markers and colored that up. And that's on that My Creative Time tag. And for this one, I used that ink, VersaFine Clear, the Twilight ink, to ink up this. And then I just added a little bit of color for that light in the lighthouse, as well as colored that top up in red. And that's the My Creative Time tag as well. And I also use those clouds in that same die. I mean, in that same stamp set. All right, up next, here goes these here. I love, love, love how these turned out. And so this is that, the Ahoy Matey is from the Joyce Life stamp. This star here was from the Cottage Cuts. And then I also have that rope, as well as another lifesaver there. And then that's on that tag die for My Favorite Things. And here goes another one, another lifesaver. And there goes the helm and another anchor, and Seasons Greetings. And that was from the Pretty Cute Ribbon stamps. All right, and here we go here. I made some 3x3 cards. Everyone knows Lady KRE loves 3x3s, and so do I. I'm starting to really like them. Anyways, so here goes that Just a Little Note, and I thought that went perfect with this message in a bottle. And then let me show you how these look. As you can tell, I have 3 more rings, and Hope anchors the soul. And I added that with a little bit of starfish down below. I did finish off the insides of the cards. You might have to use, I might have to use a little bit of, white ink or something for that. And there we go. That's how all of the insides look there. All right. Thought those are super cute and just perfect with that Just a Little Note. Oops, there you go. All right. Up next, and this is the last and final thing. And when I say I love this card, oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. I've got to make another one. But there it goes. This is that Stampin' This die set. stamp set there. I thought that added the perfect touch. I added a little seagull in the back. There goes that pelican standing on the little logs there. And yeah, I thought it was super cute. And there goes another lifesaver ring. And then the inside is there. Now I did use 2 separate colors on here. I used the white paper that was from Recollections, and I also used that Dove White. So this is just a little bit hint of like an off-white color, and I thought that was perfect for on there. I really, really like it. So one more look at everything here. And let me just turn this over so you can see how that looks. I thought these were just absolutely the cutest. All right. And then these here. Now, for my giveaway, I will be giving away all of these that I have made, as well as, all right, I made up a little shaker mix for you. I went to Dollar Tree and picked up this Shore Living ribbon. I am also giving you this here. That's another set, brand new, as well as this, giving you these Nautical. They said pins there, but they are the clothespins. And then this here. And then I've had this in my stash for a while and have never used it. And I thought it fit the theme. And this is a 3D embossing folder. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Make sure you visit the other ladies to check out what they're doing and have fun. Be sure to check out all the pictures at the end of the video. Thanks.